Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my hair is blow dried. That is because I'm going to be doing Bantu knots on blow dried hair. I wanted to do this because when I do them on wet hair, my hair is just really shrunken up and I was just going for a more loose, wavy type of look. So I'm just sectioning my hair off so that I can work with that back section first and then move on to the two front sections. So I'm doing my sections pretty big because I don't want my curls to be too tight. Like I said, I want them to be loose and more wavy. So that's why I'm doing that big of a section, and I'm going in with this Mielle Pomegranate and Honey Twisting Soufflé just to give my hair some moisture and so moisturize my hair before beginning to Bantu knot. And then I'm gonna go in with my detangling brush, get rid of any tangles that may be in the hair, and to distribute that product evenly throughout that section. And then I'm gonna begin to Bantu knot. And make sure you put as much moisturizer as you need. As you saw, I just put a little more of the Twisting Soufflé on my hair because my hair was a little bit drier. But make sure you don't put too much to where that section starts to revert back curly. So now I'm beginning to do my Bantu knot, and I'm trying this method that I got from Hazel Goddess, where she doesn't wrap it beginning at the root. If you see, there's a little space there. I used to twist it until it was really tight at the root because I thought it was making it more secure, but it's only making it really tight, and too tight for your head, you're hurting yourself. So as you see, leaving that space allows for you to wrap it around itself like that without it being too tight. And it's more comfortable to sleep in and just more comfortable to wear, throughout the day or throughout the night. So make sure you leave that space and you're good to go. I'm just going to speed this process up so you guys can watch it without me talking. And then I'll be back to show you guys how I take them down and separate them. slept with my Bantu knots in overnight, and I'm just taking them out this morning. I just put some oil on my fingers. If y'all been watching me for a minute, y'all already know what oil that was. But I'm just gonna take the bobby pins out and then unravel. And as y'all see, this first one gave me a lot of hope. Like, I was so excited. Look at the definition in that spring. But yeah, I'm just gonna go through, take all of these out, and then you'll see me separate them, and then I'll be back at the end of the video to give you guys my final thoughts on this style. really like the results of this Bantu knot on dry hair. Okay, it looks really good. I like it because it's not as shrunken as it would be if I did it on wet hair. It would be like all the way up here, okay? But I like this kind of relaxed, wavy type of look that my hair has. It came out really, really nice. Really, really good. It is kind of shiny from the oil. Not that much shine, but it looks good. It's moisturized from the twist and souffle that I used, and yeah, I have no complaints, none at all. It was easy to separate. It's just turned out really good. I just decided to pull this piece up, stick my little edges down, and yeah, this is how I'm gonna be rocking my hair for a few days. If you guys want to see how I will style it as days go by, just comment that down below. I kind of want to style it a little bit, do some different styles with it, but let me know if you guys want to see that, and I'll go ahead and give you guys a video on that, how I style these. But that's pretty much it. That's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave me comments down below, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and hit that bell so you'll be notified each and every time I go post a new video. And make sure you follow me on Instagram. If you're following me, then you know that I have entered to be a part of Sally Crew. But to get all the scoop on that and what you need to do to help your girl out, head over to my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, turn post notifications on, and go to my highlights, and all the information will be there. So yeah, that's the end of this video, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.